that's a long, long way there. And there's me, you, Dad, Muffin, and my fish walked over. And they go real fast as they can. Then there's a polar bear there. Try to capture them. Then they run. Then a bear tried to capture them real fast. Then they run fast as they can. Then the polar bear tried to catch them with their old claws. And they had little babies. And the little baby said, "Hey, you get away from those people." And the mama bear said, "No, I want to eat them and have them for breakfast." Then he got them and he said, "Hey, I'm the next polar bear." Then they go back to Mars, and they run fast as they can. And the end.
Yay!